Let's do the measurements.
Welcome along to... I'm putting up some panels in my sitting room, and this is my first DIY. I'm not really handy, so I am just going to start measuring the panel. I know the gap, the distance that I need. The top to the skirting board is about 219, so I'll measure that. So the difficult part was the plugs, where they are. So I've got two panels that I can put on the right hand side. From this video you can see, and the third panel I'll need to cut it up and open up that space for the plugs and the antenna. I'm just going to measure as much as I can, and I'm now using the old cutout of the first. Measurements are all done. So 4 panels. The intent, really, my daughter wanted me to cut the whole part, the third part, but I decided not to do that because I think I wanted everything to be intact. But thinking about it now, probably I should have cut it into 2 parts. Now we are putting the glue or the adhesive and sealant from 3Cs. I saw one of the YouTubers here using this, and it's only, you don't need to put it, it's a pattern, just put it as much as you can and stick it up. It should seal nicely on the wall. So that's the first panel done. That was perfect, no issues. Second panel is going to go up as well. It didn't have any much issues. The third panel, I cut the third panel the wrong side, so always be aware you cut the same side every time, and so that the top side there's a tongue and groove that goes in, so that you won't see the join between the 2 panels. But as you can see at the top there, I now have a tiny little gap, but I'll sort it at the end. I didn't show the video. What you do is the black outings of the panel, you can shove them at the top there and they cover everything and all is clear. You won't see anything. So it's really rewarding when you've seen when you see the job done and it comes through perfectly without any issues. So that's it really for my DIY. The jigsaw, spirit level if you need it, and a sharp standing knife will be handy. So I did cut the option there. I was cutting the plug piece and I left the other part hanging as well. So I have a rectangle outing of the panel there, and you'll see it when I lift it up. It looks different because it's hanging on one side. There you go. So I think here I should have cut them separate really, but it worked. Tongue and groove nicely. And as you can see from the video there, the top, the second panel, there's a bit of a gap there, but yeah, it's went in nicely. The measurements were perfect. Always measure twice, cut once. All done, guys. Which is what I did. We did that with my daughter, and yeah, all came through okay. And the last panel, we'll put the last
looking
panel.
Absolutely lush. I am pleased for my first DIY jobby. This is one of the best I think I've done. So I'm really pleased. All done. So the opening there's an opening there for the plugs and the antenna, but we don't really use the antenna anymore, so I've cut it up. So yeah, all good, all flush. Really for my first DIY, this is quite good. And yeah, just wiping off the tiny bits of glue. It's not glue, adhesive. And sealant is also a sealant as well, which is this one here, multi-use. There, the 3Cs I think sealant, which is good, really good. The problem is it keeps leaking on there, so the gun keeps on pressing. I don't know. We'll put the TV on in a minute and I'll show you the finished product.